You know, sometimes what ends up happening is after you win and you succeed, you then get the whole you changed. What's going on, people? My name is Andrew SB and welcome to my channel. If you ain't already subscribed, you need to do that ASAP. Remember, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. Right, you know the whole concept of you changed. But the concept, the whole thing has always been to change. That's what we all follow in our dreams. That's the whole concept. You're not trying to stay here. You're not trying to remain in the same situation you're in. You're trying to better your life. You're trying to change your situation. You're trying to change your life. You're trying to change your parents' life, your kids' life, your friends' life, everyone around. You're trying to change. That's the concept of chasing dreams. Change. So it kind of defeats the purpose when all of a sudden you win at life and you change your life for better. You change your mentality, whether it's health or better relationships or you're successful at life, whatever it is change. That's what you're trying to do. The reason you're trying to change is because you're not happy with your current situation. Well, it could be a job. If you're not happy with your current job or your current financial situation, you do everything in your power to change it. So when you finally achieve it, it doesn't make much sense when someone turns around and says, you changed. Duh, that's what you wanted to do. So you need to understand it and get it through your head. It's okay, people are going to say what they're going to say, but that was always the point. That is always the point, to change your situation. That's all it is. So you can't let it drag you down. And remember, hit the subscribe button and the notification button. Hit us up on the socials as well, Real Andrew SB. I repeat, Real Andrew SB on the socials. Let us know your comments, let us know your thoughts, and come along for the ride.